Scene script. Have you ever wondered how much tech giants are investing in AI? Well, let's start with an impressive figure. In 2023, Microsoft invested a whopping $10 billion in OpenAI. This is no small change we're talking about. This hefty investment by Microsoft has propelled OpenAI to become a central player in the artificial intelligence industry. It has allowed OpenAI to augment their entire ecosystem, including Bing, with advanced AI capabilities. This partnership is not just about the money though. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with generative AI technology. Both companies are now leading the charge, constantly exploring and innovating in this exciting field. Their collaboration is a perfect blend of financial backing and technological expertise, which has positioned them at the forefront of the AI industry. It's a partnership that's shaping the future of AI, one breakthrough at a time. This massive investment has certainly set the stage for significant AI developments. But Microsoft and OpenAI aren't the only ones making strides in AI. Let's turn our attention to Amazon. Amazon has put a significant investment into the AI space with a $4 billion bet on Anthropic's Claude LLM. This is not just a financial investment. Amazon is integrating AI across its services, including Echo Frame smart glasses and Alexa with generative AI. One of Amazon's standout developments is the launch of the Bedrock Foundational Model Platform. This platform provides AI-generated text and images as a cloud service, a significant step forward in making AI more accessible and utilitarian. But Amazon is not stopping there. They're actively nurturing the next generation of AI innovators with free developer courses and an accelerator program specifically aimed at funding generative AI startups. These initiatives demonstrate Amazon's commitment to AI and its belief in its transformative power. Amazon's bold moves signal a major shift in the AI landscape. Now, with all these advancements, what does this mean for various industries? The ripple effect of generative AI technologies is undeniable, reaching across sectors as diverse as logistics, manufacturing, education, and healthcare. In logistics, AI is streamlining supply chains, making them more efficient and cost-effective. Manufacturing is becoming more automated, with AI machines churning out products at a stellar pace. Education is also getting a digital makeover, with AI tutors and personalized learning paths. Healthcare, perhaps, is seeing the most significant transformation, with AI being used in medical imaging, diagnosis, and even in the creation of personalized treatment plans. However, there's a flip side. As AI continues to evolve, there's growing concern that it might replace human roles in areas like programming, accounting, journalism, and digital arts. Alongside this, there's a rising debate over the use of intellectual property in training AI models. AI's impact on industries is profound and far-reaching. But with great power comes great responsibility. Let's talk about some of the challenges in the AI field. As the AI industry expands, data privacy has become a pressing concern. A recent incident involving ChatGPT, a popular AI chatbot, highlights this issue. A bug in the system resulted in the exposure of chat history titles and potential payment data, raising serious questions about data security. But that's not all. There was also an inadvertent leak of company secrets by Samsung employees using ChatGPT, further emphasizing the need for robust security measures. And then we have the legal challenges. The New York Times, for instance, recently filed a lawsuit against OpenAI and Microsoft. The news giant alleges unauthorized use of its articles to train AI models, sparking a heated debate about intellectual property rights in the AI sector. These incidents underline the need for stringent data security measures and careful consideration of intellectual property rights. So, what's being done to address these challenges? Let's look at the regulatory landscape. The European Union is taking the lead, introducing new requirements for foundational AI models. These requirements focus on transparency obligations and measures to mitigate systemic risks. The idea is to ensure that AI systems are accountable and don't perpetuate harmful biases or pose undue risks. Across the globe in China, the interim measures for the management of generative artificial intelligence services is shaping the AI landscape. This regulation emphasizes development and governance, service provider responsibilities, and government oversight. It's all about striking a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring ethical AI practices. And it's not just the EU and China. Other countries, including Canada, Israel, and Brazil, are contemplating AI-specific legislation. It's clear that as AI technology continues to evolve, the regulatory framework around it is keeping pace. As the AI field grows, so does the attention on legal, ethical, and regulatory issues.